For more than a centuries, precious stone is like a mystery of natural beauty that is about to be uncovered. Until finally, due to advances in science and technology, nature's beauty, now, reborn in the lab. Nature's twin, precious gemstone. Natural ingredients are processed into color stones. By replicating natural conditions and phenomenon inside the lab, rough stones are then cut and polished by experts just like mined gems. Now you can enjoy more choices of color, more choices of shape, with more affordable, more collectible, more fashionable